about nervous system. Nervous system is divided into two parts. Those two parts are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, commonly called as CNS, that is central nervous system, and PNS, that is peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord. So here in this lesson we have to study the structure of brain, different parts of the brain as well as function of different parts of brain. Peripheral nervous system, this system comprises of different types of nerves. There are three types of nerves, that is cranial nerves, spinal nerves and visceral nerves. As the name peripheral means this system, peripheral nervous system, the function, basic role of peripheral nervous system is to connect lateral parts of the body with central nervous system. Central nervous system is brain and spinal cord located in the center of the body, and peripheral nervous system, the nerves are spread till the peripheral region of the body. So lateral part of the body are connected with central part, spinal cord and brain, with the help of different type of nerves that comes under peripheral nervous system. Now cranial nerves, this cranial nerves, they arise from brain. Cranial nerves arise from brain, and there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and spread throughout the brain and connect with different region or areas of sensory as well as motor region. Then spinal nerves, as per the name, it arises from spinal cord. And spinal cord, as you know, it present at the back side, as we used to call backbone in the vertebral column, it is present. So from spinal cord these nerves arise and attach with the lateral part of the body. Visceral nerves, they are useful for connection between internal organ of the body with brain or spinal cord, with CNS, brain or spinal cord. Internal organ of the body, that autonomous nervous system. In autonomous nervous system comes circulation, heartbeat, excretion, then respiratory system, digestive system. All these systems are connected with brain and spinal cord, that is central nervous system, with the help of visceral nerve, that internal organ that is called as the viscera. So visceral nerves help to connect internal organs with brain. So there are different three types of nerves present under peripheral nervous system. Spinal cord, spinal nerves arise from spinal cord. They are present in 31 pairs of spinal nerves are present. So the role of peripheral nervous system is to connect lateral part of the body, lateral parts of the body with central nervous system. So that is the importance of peripheral nervous system, and we have to discuss in detail about central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, that introductory part is only there, how peripheral nervous system is associated with central nervous system, what is the role, how many nerves, which type of nerves are present, that is related with peripheral nervous system. Now the next we will discuss about brain and spinal cord. So brain, first we will discuss the structure of brain. Brain and spinal cord both are muscular and both are very, very important and vital organ, because they control all the activities, physical activities as well as metabolic activity. Every activity is under control of these both vital organs. So both of them are highly protected with bony box. They are protected with bony box. This bony box is also called as cranium. Brain is located under bony box called as cranium. and spinal cord in vertebrae. Vertebrae are there, and inside vertebra spinal cord runs, which is muscular in nature. So brain is located in cranium and spinal cord is protected with the help of vertebrae, which are made up of bones. So these are the two important parts and they are protected by bony structure.